Hello, good morning. Mm, Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm very well, thank you. And you? How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but good. Today's a nice day, right?
Yes. It is a very nice day. It is sunny and warm. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I like sunny days a lot. They make me feel happy. And you? Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do. I like sunny days too, but not very hot days. Warm days are perfect.
Oh, yes, I understand. Very hot days are difficult. So, this is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. That's very nice. Let me think. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like a drink, but I don't know what to choose.
No problem. Let me explain the options. We have coffee, tea, and juice.
Okay. What do people like more here?
Good question. Most people like the coffee. Our coffee is very popular.
Oh, really? I like coffee, but sometimes it is strong.
Yes, I understand. We have strong coffee and soft coffee. We also have coffee with milk.
Oh, coffee with milk sounds good. Is it sweet?
It is not sweet, but you can add sugar. Most people like it with a little sugar.
Okay. And the tea? What kind of tea do you have?
Let me think. We have black tea, green tea, and chamomile tea. People like chamomile tea in the afternoon.
Oh, chamomile tea. That is relaxing, right?
Yes, exactly. It is very relaxing. Good for a calm day.
Today I want something calm, but I also want energy.
I see. Then coffee with milk is a good option. Many people choose that.
Okay. I think I will choose coffee with milk.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please. I like hot drinks in the morning.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Mm, no, that's all for now. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Great. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a very nice day too.
Hello, Sarah. Good morning. It's so nice to see you today. How are you?
Hello, Eve. Good morning. I'm very good, thank you. And you? How is your day so far?
My day is good. A little busy, but good. And yours?
My day is very nice. I had a quiet morning and now I'm happy to be here.
Oh, that's good. I was thinking about my family today. I miss them a lot.
Oh, really? Tell me about your family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. My brother is very funny, and my sister is very kind.
Oh, that's nice. What about your parents?
My father is very smart. He likes to read books. And my mother is very friendly. She loves to cook.
Oh, I like that. Do you spend a lot of time with them?
Not every day. Sometimes I'm busy, but I try to call them. And you? Do you talk with your family often?
Yes, I do. I have one brother too, and my parents are very kind.
Oh, that's nice. It's so important to spend time with family, even if it's a short time.
Yes, I agree. Family makes life happy.
Exactly. I remember last weekend we had a big lunch together. It was very fun. Oh, I like that.
Do you have children?
No, not yet. Maybe in the future. Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter. She is very small, but very smart. She likes to play a lot.
Oh, that's wonderful. I like children. They are so funny and full of energy.
Yes, exactly. Family is very important in life.
Yes. I hope to see my family this weekend. I miss them a lot.
Oh, I understand. It's very good to be with family. It gives us happiness.
Hello. Excuse me. I would like to pay the bill, please.
Hello. Of course. How would you like to pay today?
I would like to pay with cash. I have money here.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry, but we only accept card. We don't accept cash.
Oh, really? Okay. No problem.
Thank you for understanding. Would you like to pay with debit or credit?
Mm, Let me think. I will pay with debit.
Perfect. Before you pay, may I ask something?
Yes, of course.
Did you like the coffee?
Yes, I liked it very much. It was very good and warm.
Oh, that's great to hear. Many people like our coffee too.
Yes, I understand. I can see why people like it.
Here is the card machine. You can insert your card now.
Okay. One moment.
Take your time.
Okay, it's done.
Perfect. The payment is approved.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too. Hello, Sarah. It's nice to walk with you today. The weather is very nice.
Hello, Eve. Yes, it's a very sunny day. I like walking outside when it's sunny.
Me too. It makes me feel happy and relaxed. Do you like walking every day?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I walk in the morning, sometimes in the evening. It's very nice and healthy.
Oh, that's good. I usually walk in the afternoon when it's warm and sunny.
Yes, I understand. Today, we can see a lot of people in the street. Everyone is enjoying the sun.
Yes. I like it when the city is busy but calm. It's very nice to watch people.
Exactly. Do you have any plans after this walk?
Yes. I need to go home soon. I think I will go by metro.
Oh, really? That's fast and easy, right?
Yes, exactly. The metro is very convenient. It's faster than bus sometimes.
That's good. I hope you have a safe trip home.
Thank you. I will. And you? How will you go home?
I will walk a little more and then take the bus. It's not far from here.
Oh, that's nice. Walking is good too. It's relaxing.
Yes. I like walking, but sometimes I am tired.
I understand. I need to go now, but it was very nice to walk and talk with you.
Yes. I enjoyed it too. See you soon, Eve.
See you, Sarah. Bye. I will go by metro now.
Bye, Eve. Have a nice trip home.
Thank you. I will. Hello, good evening. I would like to buy a ticket, please.
Hello, good evening. Of course. Where would you like to go today?
I want to go home. It is near the central station.
Okay, let me think. You need a single ticket or a return ticket.
I think a single ticket is enough. I will go home now.
Perfect. The single ticket costs $2. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I will pay by card. I don't have cash.
No problem. Please insert your card here.
Okay. One moment.
Take your time.
Done.
Perfect. The payment is approved. Here is your ticket.
Thank you. How long is the trip to Central Station?
Let me think. It is about 20 minutes. You need to change trains one time.
Oh, okay. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy your day today?
Yes, very much. I had coffee with my friend, and I walked outside a little.
Oh, that's nice. I hope you have a safe trip home.
Thank you. I will.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening too.